You're asking why you would replace the factory grid heater on your 6.7-liter Cummins with an aftermarket kit, like the one from Fleece. The main reason is to stop a small nut and bolt from falling into your engine and causing serious damage, while also improving airflow. Let's break down how that failure happens. The original equipment manufacturer grid heater is basically a toaster element that sits in your intake, right after the throttle valve. Its only job is to warm the air going into the engine for a smoother start on a cold day. The problem isn't the heating element itself, but the hardware that holds it in place. It uses a small bolt with a nut on it, and that assembly is located directly in the path of all the air your engine breathes. Over tens of thousands of miles, engine vibration and constant heat cycles, getting hot, then cold, over and over, can cause that nut to work itself loose and fall off. When that nut or bolt comes free, it has nowhere to go but straight into the intake manifold and then into a cylinder. A piece of hardened steel getting smashed around inside a combustion chamber will hammer the piston, damage the cylinder head, and bend or break the valves. While this doesn't happen on every single truck, it is a known weak point and a risk that many owners want to remove entirely. The Fleece kit solves this problem by changing the design completely. Instead of a grid held by a fastener inside the air path, it uses a solid, self-contained coil heating element. This coil is built right into a new high-flow intake plate. This design takes that small, loose hardware completely out of the airstream. You still get the heat you need for cold starts, but the risk of a fastener dropping into your engine is eliminated. This kit is made specifically for the 6.7-liter Cummins engine in 2007.5 through 2024 Dodge and Ram trucks. That covers the 2500, 3500, 4500, and 5500 models. So if you're thinking about this upgrade, here are the key things to consider. First, understand this is also a performance part. The kit includes a new intake horn and a high-flow intake plate. These pieces are designed to be less restrictive than the factory setup. This helps the engine breathe better, which can improve your throttle response. It just feels a bit more responsive when you get on the pedal. Next, think about your climate. The heating element is critical for cold weather. The standard kit uses a single powerful 700-watt coil. It's placed in the intake stream to heat the air efficiently, and it also puts less strain on the grid heater relay. For most people, that single element is enough. But if you live somewhere that gets extremely cold, there is an option to add a second 700-watt element. Fleece has tested this dual heater setup and proven it provides reliable starts in temperatures all the way down to minus 35 degrees Celsius. Finally, a good kit should come with everything you need for the job. This one includes all the necessary gaskets for the intake runner, intake horn, throttle valve, the exhaust gas recirculation valve, and the exhaust gas recirculation crossover tube. It also comes with a new high-flex heater cable and a grounding cable. All the parts are designed to look and fit just like the original equipment, so it maintains a clean, factory appearance under your hood. Ignoring the potential for that original grid heater bolt to fail could lead to significant internal engine damage if the part ever comes loose. So, if you're already planning to do work on your intake system, that's the perfect time to consider this upgrade.